Good morning, class. I am your teacher, Junjal, for today. Now, to start our class, who will lead the prayer? Okay, Mary Jane. And Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit. Amen. Thank you, Mary Jane. Now, I will call some names and say present if you are here. Mary Jane Dilona. Nika Benitez. Ivy Tangili. Eunice Saholga. April Rose Matosa. So, since all are here and present, so we will start our class. So, how's your summer? Are you excited with our first class today? Oh, that's great. It's nice to hear that. So now, I am flashing some pictures using this projector. So all you need to do is to watch clearly and identify the objects. So I will start projecting some pictures on the screen. Okay, class, can you give me some different names of an object? Okay. Wow! Good job, class. You made everything for this day.
Now, I want you to look around and observe things. What do you see?
Tables and chairs, teacher.
Yes, that is right. What else?
Notebook and pencil.
Very good. Children, you must know that there are a lot of things in this room and especially on the outside. But everything or objects that we can see has a different characteristics and properties of matter. Do you have an idea what is matter? Okay, before we discuss, let's watch a video first. We will sing a song entitled Matter. I will play the video and let's sing together.
Alright everybody, are you ready for the 3 states of matter song? Here we go. Solid, liquid, and gas. The 3 states of matter, they all have mass. Solid, liquid, and gas, they all have mass. Oh yeah. A solid is firm, a solid is hard. Just like the rocks in your backyard. A liquid is wobbly, a liquid is loose. Just like water or milk or juice. Gas is the trickiest one to be because the gas is something that you cannot see. The helium gas in your balloon makes it float all around the room. Come on! Solid, liquid, and gas. 3 states of matter, they all have mass. Solid, liquid, and gas, they all have mass. One more time, you guys, come on! Solid, liquid, and gas. The 3 states of matter, they all have mass. Solid, liquid, and gas, they all have mass. Alright.
Did you enjoy the song?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, it's good to hear. And now, I will show you an object. Look at these objects, class. Can you identify these objects?
That is stone, juice, and balloon.
That's great. What is the shape of this stone? Yes, Kian?
Round, teacher.
Can you touch it?
Yes, teacher.
Thank you, Kian. Next, what can you say about the juice in the glass?
Its color is orange.
The glass and the juice has the same shape.
Yes, teacher.
What if I pour this juice into a taller glass? What can you say about its shape?
The water goes with the shape of the glass.
Very good. And lastly, What can you say about this balloon?
Its color is red, teacher.
Okay, okay. How about the thing inside this balloon?
There is air inside the balloon.
That was a very good observations. We call these things as matter. Everybody say matter.
Matter.
Very good.
When we say matter, it's an anything that occupies space and weight. The house we will live in is matter. The water that we drink when we are thirsty is matter. The air we breathe is also matter. Matter has three phases: the solid, liquid, and gas. Each phases of matter has its characteristics. I want a volunteer to come here in front to touch this stone. Paula, can you describe this stone? Yes, that's right. This stone is an example of solid. Solid has definite shape, definite volume. It can also be held and seen. It has texture like rough, smooth, soft, or hard. It also has a color like red, blue, or green. Solid keeps its shapes when you move it in another container because particles of solids are packed close together. Can you give me another example of solid? Yes, Marie. Can you describe the notebook, Asher? Good job. The second phase of matter is liquid. I have two objects here, the balloon and a bottle of water. Where do you think is the liquid?
The water.
Can you give me another example of liquid?
Milk, ma'am.
Excellent. We have a water here. Observe the water when I fill it into the glass. What did you observe?
It flows.
Yes, that is right. Water is an example of liquid. Liquid has definite volume. When we say definite volume, it will always take up to the same amount of space and take the shape of its container, meaning liquid has no definite shape. Particles are close, but it flows and able to be poured. Can you give me an example of liquid?
Milk, ma'am.
Very good. Another example. Bring me an example of liquid.
This chocolate drink, ma'am.
Well done. Now, the last phases of matter is gas. I have here a balloon. Please observe. What did you notice?
It has air.
Great. The air from the balloon is an example of gas. Gas does not have definite volume. It's spread out to fill its container, so it does not have definite shape. Particles are separated and move freely. Most of the gases cannot be seen or invisible. But there are gases which can seen, like smoke from volcanic eruption, fog, or smog. Who can give me an example of gas?
Steam, ma'am.
Okay. Another example.
Oxygen, teacher.
Very good, Ray.
Now, let us have more examples so that you can really identify and differentiate the solid, liquid, and gas according to its characteristic. Now, we will be having a group activity. Kindly count from 1 to 3. Please focus on your numbers. All pupils with the number 1 will be the group 1. The pupils with the number 2 will be the group 2. And all pupils with number 3 are group 3. Let's start counting. 1, 2, 3. Now, we will be having a game. The game is called Identify Me. In this game, we will be using Spin the Wheel. There are phrases in the wheel that describes a matter. When the spinner stops on a phrase, you will identify if it describes a solid, a liquid, or gas, you will put it on the right column in the table in your worksheets. In your worksheets, there are 3 columns: the solid, the liquid, and the gas column. The group that will get most number of correct answers will win the game. Is that clear? Are you excited? Okay, let's begin. Are you ready? Okay, for the first spin, here we go. It is indefinite volume. Write this characteristic on its right column if it is a solid, liquid, or gas. Okay, what's your answers? Right. Definite volume is solid. 1 point for group 1 and 1 point for group 2. For the second spin, smoke. What pieces of matter it is? Okay, show me your answers. That's right. Smoke is gas. All 3 groups got the correct answer. Next spin. Indefinite shape. What it is? Okay, are you done? Show me your answers. Yes, it is liquid or gas. Liquid and gas. Okay, group 2 got the correct answer. Let's continue to the next spin. Definite shape. What it is? That's right, it is a solid. Group 1 and group 3 got the correct answer. For the fifth spin, definite volume. Are you done? That's right, it is solid. All groups got the correct answer. Next, flows. What pieces of matter that flows? It is liquid, solid, or gas? Are you done? Show me your answer. That's right, it is liquid. All groups got the right answers. Let's spin again the wheel. Next is rough. What it is? Are you done? Show me your answers. That's right. Rough describes a solid. All 3 groups got the right answers. Very good. And the last one, it is can be poured. What pieces of matter can be poured? Write this characteristic on the right column. Show me your answer if you're done. Very good. Group 1 and Group 2 got the right answer. That was awesome. Did you enjoy the game?
Yeah.
That's good to hear. The Group 2 got the highest score. Let's give them 5 claps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Group 1 and Group 3 also did a great job. Let's round of applause for ourselves.
Okay class, so now we're going to have a follow-up activity. So you're going to answer activity 1 and activity 2. For the activity 1, what you're going to do is you're going to connect column A with column B. And for the activity 2, you're going to write the words on the correct rows. Okay, did you understand the instruction, class? Okay, so I'll be giving you 3 minutes to answer the activity. Are you guys ready to answer? Okay, your time starts now. Okay, time is up, class. Stop writing and exchange your papers. So now let's try to answer activity 1. Who will come to the board and answer number 1? Yes, Moana? Very good. Moana has the right answer. Yes, solid has definite shape and defined volume. How about the next one? Yes, Ayesha? Very good. Liquid has defined volume and takes the shape of its character. How about the last one? Yes, Ray? Very good. Gas doesn't have a defined volume and defined shape. Let's give everyone a round of applause. Again, class, what are the three phases of matter? Yes, very good. Those are solid, liquid, and gas. So, the three-phase has its own characteristics. So, let's identify the characteristic of solid. What is solid? Okay, solid has definite shape and definite volume. It can also be held and seen. The particles of solid are packed close together. How about the characteristic of a liquid? A liquid has a definite volume and takes the shape of its container. The particles are close, but it flows and able to be poured. How about the gas? So the characteristic of a gas does not have a defined volume. So it spreads out to fill its container, so it does not have a defined shape. The particles are separated and it moves freely. Okay, so do you get it, class? Do you have any questions? Okay, none so far. Okay, so let's have our last activity. So the direction says here, identify the choice that best completes the statements or answer the question. Write the letter of your answer in your answer sheet. Okay, get one and pass. So I'll be giving you 2 minutes to answer. Okay, 2 minutes is over. Pass your papers to the front. Okay, class, for your assignment, you're going to take a photo of the phases of matter that can be found here in school or in your houses. So you can also ask your parents or guardian to print out the pictures and paste it on a long bond paper, and then you're going to describe each photo. Did you understand, class? Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you learned something. See you tomorrow.